Hey everyone, one of our students asked a really good question. She stayed late at the office, or she stayed at the office late. Which one sounds more natural? Let's find out together. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to keep improving your English with us. Now, let's dive right in. Both she stayed late at the office and she stayed at the office late are grammatically correct, but they differ slightly in focus and naturalness. 1. She stayed late at the office. More natural. This is the more common and natural order in English. Structure, verb plus adverb, stayed late, plus place, at the office, meaning she remained at work until a late hour. Focus, on how long or until when she stayed. Example, I often stay late at the office to finish my reports. Here, late directly modifies stayed, so it describes the action of staying. 2. She stayed at the office late. Also correct, but less common. This version changes the focus slightly. Structure, verb plus place, at the office, plus adverb, late. Meaning, still the same overall, but it sounds a bit more emphatic on location, where she stayed late. Example, she stayed at the office late, not at home. This version might be used when contrasting where she stayed, not when. In summary, so in everyday English, you should generally prefer she stayed late at the office.